Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to be here with you today, and today we are going to be creating something amazing. So I've done this once before, but I've never did it on camera. So I want to share with you guys how to make these how I made these amazingly glitterly, I don't know what words I'm using, glitter components. So if you guys remember back a couple of videos ago, I made these components. I made these. You see these? You remember that? Y'all remember those time? Remember that time where I made these, the screen printing video, which is like the #1 video on my channel right now. Woo woo! But anyways, when I made those, I knew that I wanted to make some other components to go with those, and I wasn't quite sure which one. I put a poll out, and a lot of you guys voted on glitter. And I just didn't want to do like just gold or silver. I mean, I would never do silver anyways, but I didn't want to do just a regular glitter. I wanted to pop one of the colors. So what I did was I looked at the components, and I'm like, what color is in the components but is not a huge, like they're not a lot of it? And it was the blue that really stood out to me. So I wanted to make these, this doesn't go with this, but I really wanted to make these components to match the blue, or pull out the blue. Like, see, this pink one has a very little amount of blue, but I was like, I want to make this. So today I'm going to be making these, showing you guys all how to make these in this video. So let's get into it. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been a part of the Oh So Pretty squad, I'm so glad that you're back. If you want to join the squad, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and you are in. On this channel, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of my handmade accessories business, as well as give you helpful tips and helpful information for running a small handmade or product-based business. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's create something oh so pretty. Alright, so like I said, I use this from some like older scraps from some collections in the past, and I kind of mixed a bunch of blues together. I thought this would be a great base for the glitter. Basically, I am trying to do a green color, so I've gotten the base like close, like a greeny teal color, so the base is close to what the glitter is, but you know, not exact. It doesn't have to be. So I wanted to really match the color that was coming through the rest of the components really well, so I decided to mix these three together. One's more blue, one's more like greeny, one's more teal, so I thought that would be a great combination to kind of really mix together and get this beautiful teal blue dream of a color. It's just so beautiful to me, and I'm not a huge blue fan, so, but I will say teal is, it typically whenever I was younger, I would say my favorite colors were teal, pink, and black. Those were my things, and so I do love a good teal. So even though I'm not a fan of blue, I do love a great teal. I like navy. Navy's grown on me recently, but anyhow, this is not about color theory. This is about making this beautiful blue. So I love it, and basically what I'm doing is I'm really just pushing that glitter right into the clay. And I will say this, if you try this at home and you're like, oh, my glitter is falling out, it's because you do have to seal this in some type of way. So whether that is a Varathane or something like that, but I chose to use resin because we guys all know that resin just makes everything like enhance, and the shine and the glitter just is 10 times better with a resin coat. So that's what I'm going to do to these, and it's really going to lock that glitter in so I don't have to worry about that coming off or eventually falling off or getting patchy or any of that. So I'm basically just going to be cutting out the top components because we already have the base of them, and then some dangles. I'm going to add some dangles to some of the pieces that we already have. So yeah, I'm just going to cut these out, and then I'm going to show you the finished product coming up here real soon. Alright, so this is me resin coating the tops. I just go through and I love doing it on a silicone mat because it just really holds the components a little bit easier, but also if you have any spillage, they kind of go into those honeycombs and just kind of get away from the actual piece. So love using those. Got them from Amazon. And yeah, I'm just resin coating, and then I'm gonna this is 2-part epoxy, by the way, not UV resin. I know I've been showing you guys a lot of UV resin lately, but I really enjoy the 2-part when I really have the time to get that done. I use this mostly. I do UV resin for coating every once in a while. So oh my goodness, guys, these are looking phenomenal. I mean, wowzers. They are looking so good. They're gonna look so good with those. These are the rest of them. I mean, wow. Can y'all see those? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be a limited run of these because I don't know. I don't have that many, but I mean, if y'all looking for these, y'all gonna have to grab these up quick because they're so pretty. Here's the finished product. So beautiful. I loved how these came out. They're all just stunning. I mean, that blue is hitting like, I mean, it's hitting. Y'all see that? It's hitting. That blue just took these to the next level, I tell you. So if you're looking for something fun and bright in summer, here you go. It's subscriber shout out time. I'm so excited to have you guys a part of the Oh So Pretty squad here on my channel. So make sure if you haven't had the opportunity, I know 62% of you guys who haven't hit that button, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the squad. All right, that was so fun. It's really easy to do, and honestly, if you have any old clay, it's a great way to use up old clay because you can just kind of figure out. I mixed a bunch of like old blues together and made it just a blue, and then I put the glitter on top. So yes, this is a cool technique. These would be great as studs too. You guys see I'm wearing the studs from the last video or a couple videos back. They're so cute. They'll be on the site very soon, but look at these would be cute as studs too, just a glitter. But make sure, I get this a lot, people message me or text me on my website and say, oh, I was looking on your website, but everything sold out. Or not everything, but maybe what they want is sold out. And they're like, oh, how do I know? So one of the best ways for you to immediately know when I add things to the site is for you to join the tech squad. So I'm going to pop that up on the screen for you, and also it's going to be in the description. It's always in the description, but make sure you click on that button and just sign up. You're just going to drop your phone number in there and you're going to get a text every time I upload to the site. Now this text I don't spam. I'm not going to be sending you things every day because I don't upload every day to the site, and I'll also send other promotions. So you'll either get the site has been restocked with some items, or I'm running a promotion, and you know I don't run promotions all the time, so you better get on it when you can. So make sure you check out the tech squad. Get on. It's very super easy, just requires your phone number, and then you'll be alerted every time I add new things to the site, and you can grab some things that you really want. So until next video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are alerted every single time I upload a new video. I hope you have enjoyed TGIW tonight. We had some amazing videos, and we can't wait to see you next Wednesday. Peace out.